Alright, back on Daddy's turn. Look at that. Wow. Fast. Let's go. Right? That's what we're looking for here. Look at that. Legendary Mini. Or any grails. Or Ultra Grail. We just won. We have like 200 of these things. Can we get an Ultra Grail?
Just one.
Just one.
Please, Poof. Just give us one.
You call him Poof out directly. I like it. You know, I think if Poof had control over it, he'd probably hook us up with one. Come in, Minnie.
Take that.
Yeah. What do you mean take that? Oh! Look at that cereal, though.
3.
Okay. I mean, listen, if you're going to pull a dupe, you get a serial number of 3. Our lowest was 12 with an uncommon He-Man.
Oh, my God.
And now we've got a 3.
And it's not like we are just one of the people out of 1,000 that get 3. There's only one person that could get 3.
That's right. And I don't know if anybody's pulled number 1 or number 2 yet, so we may have the lowest common mini that's been opened so far. I don't know. But that is awesome.
Wow.
Okay. Redeemed. Right? We are redeemed for that duplicate pull with a number 3 cereal.
Yeah,
Holy moly. I like it. Well, if anybody's got a number 1 or number 2 mini, we'd like to hear from you. We want to find them.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you get the magic touch back just because of 3 out of 4,000.
All right. We'll see.